How to get whitelisted for a 10x NFT project. You may have heard people making enormous gains by flipping NFTs. Well, the trick to making the most out of the flip is to purchase low and sell high. And one of the most amazing strategies to purchase cheap in the NFT space is to acquire the NFT quickly as it is launched on the project's website to prevent price increases once it hits secondary marketplaces. But there are some issues that you face when you try to mint. First, all NFTs in a project can be sold out before you grab a chance to purchase it. The NFT sector is continually expanding, and successful projects draw several eager purchasers who try to mint instantly when the project is released. That's because anyone else can almost get the NFT before you try. Second, you may be subjected to the fury of gas warfare. The caveat is that the more gas you're ready to spend, the sooner you can get your transactions approved. Having a lot of competition to mint, many individuals raise the amount of money they're prepared to spend on petrol. This causes gas wars, with outrageously high transaction costs selling for hundreds of dollars. Whitelists have been added to NFT projects to address these issues. Basically, a whitelist is a list of those who have early and unrestricted access to the mint on a specific day and time in NFT. Well, in today's video, we will show you how you can get whitelisted for the 10x NFT project. So stick with us till the end to get all the insights about it. Before we get into our main topic, let's talk about NFT whitelist and understand what it is. Well, the NFT whitelist is similar to a list for VIPs for a special event. You can receive incentives or rewards if you are already on the list. It can be early access sometimes, but it can also imply that you will be able to obtain NFT for yourself at a lower cost. NFT creators create a whitelist that includes specific cryptocurrency wallet addresses that permits the minting process of NFTs in a specified time. Also, most projects in the NFT space are community-based. As a result, this whitelisting process provides active members or early supporters some rewards for providing an initial spot for a newcomer to make an NFT. Well, the transaction fees increase when most of the users attempt to mint for the same project and at the same time. And this fee is the price of executing transactions in actuality, and this doesn't contain the price of obtaining the NFT. Devs can therefore stretch the purchases for lengthy periods by selecting a distinct time period for every client. That's why it looks similar to making a meandering system, which is a queuing system, for your business or providing a time frame to purchase. It reduces crowds because it's merely a virtual location in the NFT world. The best way to get whitelisted. It's no secret that becoming whitelisted on a 10x NFT project can be an arduous task, but we are going to share the best ways that you can use to get full advantage of your next project that you're looking to purchase. Launchpads. Well, the NFT launchpads are a platform for minting and launching NFT ventures, and the launchpad development services of NFT allow creators to raise funds to build NFTs, launch their NFT goods, and publicize their NFT initiatives. These are similar to IDO launchpads, however, they are exclusively catered for NFT developers. Launchpads assist in identifying promising early stages of the projects and participating in their pre-sale activities of them. Some launchpads need you to purchase their NFT for you if you want to be whitelisted in their next NFT event. Buying previous NFTs. Yes, the NFT owners are now rewarding those NFT holders who are buying into their early released NFTs and providing them a place in white in order to mint their new NFT plan. For instance, an NFT collection doing this is Invisible Friends, which is yet to be released. As seen on Twitter, the Invisible Friends are a section of the random characters together. In the past, the random characters has launched some projects on the Invisible Friends Discord server. Moreover, 50% of the early access seats to the whitelist will be reserved for holders of mood rollers and slim hoods, according to them. Create your content. Start making content about NFT and growing your social media. Being a creator in the NFT space will get you into a lot of projects. Some project owners may approach you and give you a whitelist slot to promote them on your socials. TikTok is a terrific tool for building an audience, and many influencers receive whitelist slots or free NFTs to advertise their projects. To show your support, draw inspiration from the project and create your fan art. This is a free promotion for the project, and it gives you additional bonus points. Stay engaged. Participating in community activities is one of the difficult components on the list. It takes much time within the NFT whitelist fight. Participation entails being active in the community of a specific NFT space. This can take several forms, such as making fan art for the project, taking part in giveaways, or attending events or games that are taking place in the community of an NFT world. What the NFT creator is looking for at this point is that people are engaging in the project's ecosystem and they are contributing value to the community. Alpha groups. The Alpha is a private Discord channel where users share data and info about new projects of NFTs with enormous potential. So, by joining Alpha groups, you can get the knowledge that they have obtained from their connections inside the NFT industry to do good in trades, as well as share things like whitelist positions in particular projects and prizes. In order to find a group, you must focus on the top leaders in the sphere. See them on YouTube and search their Twitter handles and reach out to them. To become a member of these alpha groups, you must either purchase NFT or become a Patreon supporter. Invite people. Many NFT projects back the enthusiast when its supporters bring along additional prospective buyers. For that purpose, you can send the invite code you get to your friends and other Discord servers in order to invite them to the project you're promoting. And every Discord server contains several chat rooms for various purposes. So when you promote a project on a specific server, only post in the shill chat room, and this means to show off in the NFT universe. Being proactive. Being early inside the NFT's project is the first piece of advice that successful NFT investors and collectors utilize to obtain a seat on the whitelist. A good NFT project would constantly grow the community quickly, as hype plays an important role, and most talented NFT collectors would jump into it as soon as they saw the community grow. There are numerous methods for locating an NFT project early on. Discord. The majority of an NFT project's activity takes place on Discord, such as introductions to the founding team, important announcements, giveaways, the project's plan, instructions for getting on the whitelist, and so on. In most cases, links to a project's Discord group may be found in the project's Twitter bio. Moreover, if you can bear the noise, it's a better tool for locating NFT projects than Twitter. Each project, organization, or influencer has its own Discord server, which has varying amount of activity. He can also locate them if he can identify a server with a tight community that is publicly debating a new project. Twitter. Twitter is also an effective technique for discovering forthcoming NFT initiatives. The majority of the NFT community lives on Twitter. If you're looking for a place to start, Twitter is the place to go. In addition, the majority of the whitelist and giveaway activities take place there. NFT's upcoming website. The most common technique used by NFT makers to publicize an NFT drop is to put it on the future NFT site. Hundreds of projects are placed on these types of websites every day. Take your time and investigate a collection that interests you. Now we've understood how we can get whitelisted, let's talk about the benefits when we're whitelisted for a project. Number one, you can acquire an NFT at a discount or even free if you act quickly. This is incredibly useful for folks who are new to the sector and want to give it a shot but don't want to risk their money. This seems to be beneficial for NFT personnel. Number two, you can stay away from gas wars. When you're accepted to the whitelist, you can select a precise time within the time frame offered to mint your NFT. This allows the transactions to be stretched out, which results in less competition, cheaper gas prices, and less network traffic. Number three, you will have unrestricted access to mint. You have a decent probability of obtaining an NFT before anyone else. You will get guaranteed access to mint after being whitelisted for a 10x NFT project. Well, the world of NFT is an extremely fast-paced one. People are getting in voraciously to get their NFTs, and during the year 2021, we've seen a significant surge of NFT initiatives. Being part of the frenzied rush in the world of NFT, there was a large increase in gas prices, which began to drive out smaller rivals across the market. As a result, whitelisting evolved and has since become ubiquitous. While gas prices on Ethereum remain an issue, whitelisting played a significant role and helped a lot. And the basic idea of the NFT universe is that it is always evolving and changing. No doubt it is a brand new market, and if you're viewing this video, you're already ahead of the curve. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. Also, don't forget to ask your queries in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.